Okay, I'm back with another unboxing review, and this time we are unboxing this Bella Tri-Zone air fryer. It's 9 quarts. So again, I'll try to leave a link in the description so you can get you one of these if you're interested. This is a touchscreen air fryer, high performance circular heat technology, extra large 9 quart capacity with Tri-Zone technology. You can cook either 1 or 2 foods because there's a divider that goes in the middle, which we'll see, I guess, once we open this up, that allows you to have 2 temperatures and 2 different times going on the 2 separate sides. Or you can take the divider out and just use 1 temperature, 1 time, and cook everything at the same temperature. But you can use this to air fry, roast, broil, bake, and dehydrate. And it says you can save time by using this of up to 50%. Yeah, making things 50% faster. So, and you don't have to use that much grease or oil. So sometimes the air fryer is the way to go. So let's check it out, you guys. So right here, getting it out the box, man, it takes a lot to get this up out of here. You gotta do a lot of pulling, and I actually had to just go ahead and put this box on the floor so I can just go ahead and pull it on out and get this air fryer up on the counter there. So there you go, I got it on the counter. It's nice, it's black, it's silver, stainless steel. Got some hard plastic on it. It matches my stove, matches my microwave, matches my refrigerator. Oh yeah, I don't need to know that, but you see it don't match that red can opener or a red roasting pan back there. So we're removing the tape off the sides, taking a look at it. It's very durable, easy to wipe down. The stainless steel and that hard plastic on the side makes it easy to wipe down, clean, and things like that. So just gonna go ahead and take this plastic off of the plug here so we can get it plugged into the wall and get the power. There it goes, we got power. So right there on the right side, there's the power button. It just takes 1 push to turn it on or to turn it off. But I guess we'll start looking at the inside, looking to see what this 9 quarts of space looks like. So right there in the middle, you see the divider. There's 2 trays on both sides. It opens and closes very easily. It's not hard. No issues there. The materials that the inside is made out of, as well as the trays and the dividers are made out of, it's actually very good for cleaning. Food really doesn't stick to it. It's like a non-stick surface, so it's easy to wipe things off if you clean it as you go and after each use. So yeah, that'll be very important to do, but it's still easy to wipe this stuff clean and wipe these surfaces clean, as well as they come in and out very easily. I'm trying to do it with one hand while holding the camera, so that makes stuff more difficult. But when you're using both hands and holding down the pot part, stuff pulls out a whole lot easier. You won't have this little struggle that I'm having here. But again, that comes out. So let's say if you're trying to cook something and you want everything to be on the same temperature, don't mind if it's touching, or if it's something that's big that needs to fit in there, you have all that space right there, as well as the trays come out, and there's indentions to fit that divider down into place. And as you can see, you get even more space if you take all that stuff out. There is that cardboard box in there because we're just now opening it up. So we're gonna go ahead and try some crab and cheese bites and some actual crab cakes. The bites are kind of smaller, the cakes are a pretty nice size. So here you go. They do have right on the left side is where the temperature is, and then on the right side is where you can actually raise and lower the time. So just right there on the left side, you can raise and lower the temperature. Across the top there, you can pick what function you want to have, like whether you want to bake, air fry, roast, dehydrate. Right there on the bottom middle, there's a button right there you can push to where if you do want dual. Right now I'm pushing it. If you do want dual cooking capabilities, and then you just push whichever side you want first. Once you push the dual button, you push that left button. Now everything I'm doing is for the left side only. So I'm setting the temperature for the left side, setting the time for the left side, and setting the function. I got it on air fry. And then now I think we're almost ready to go and do the right side, unless I want to change the time. But right here, pushing the right side, I think I'll go with air fry again. Yeah, I already pushed dual click. Should just be going with air fry. Yeah, air fry. Now I can either do the time or the temperature first. That's the problem. I didn't push the function I wanted. But here you go. I'm gonna go ahead and change the temperature. And then if I want to set the time, I can set the time. I was having a little bit of trouble here pushing the buttons or getting the buttons to function. Now that I've had this a while, I kind of know how to push the buttons to make it work. I was a little skeptical at first, like, do I got to take this back? Don't seem like these buttons are pushing or calibrated right, but in actuality it is working really fine, really well. It just took a while, you know, that first time trying to use it to get that functionality down, but I got it down packed now. So don't let that deter you from getting one of these. I don't know what the problem was on this first day doing it, but I can guarantee you guys right now, I don't have no issues with setting the temperature, turning it off, pushing the buttons. So now just taking the time down, there it goes, and then it can go pretty fast once you hold it. So you do have to be careful because it can speed. But taking the time down to my dual set, and then once you're ready, you can actually just push the start button. But you know, you got to have your food in there first and all that. Then you'll be ready to go. One thing I did notice with using this is that I do have to turn the temperature up higher than what is recommended on the packaging for cooking, because I do like my food to be crispy. I do like for my food to be well done and done. So if you want your food crispy, you want that fried taste, that crunch, and that cooked all the way through, I have to turn it up higher. So even like right now, using it at 350, I got to put it like on 430, between 430 and 445 to cook things like fish or to cook something that's really thick. So that's the only con I would say with this, is that you just got to turn it up higher. But once you have it, once you're using it, you'll know that, and you'll be able to test it out with different foods. And then once it's done, it does have a cool down option. So even if you're cooking things and you have the dual function going, you know, it'll cool down if one side is done. Hit that subscribe button, you guys. My food came out nice and crispy. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Peace.